Nsoromma season 7 na meka finalist ne hono me school wo Highview Montessori awo pokwase amanfrom
oboa ne maame bai oboa o say ne maame amaba ne maame bai me mama wa chen e wo makwa bambra Badwam Ahosepe jumadi the world of entertainment the HA go fata woni no sumo ya the sumo me the sister Sandibi hey guys they say there my graduate Kobi they say cry tete my graduate say me get guys biem say there 2 times a guys I wish we didn't ever get off guys me no they say they me twem guys they say pa there we guy sing wine they say me twem we say they share me I once say 2 times a guy no ma just so you sa pepe na and I show be at home I am some more change say me ma reply but no lie she so I'm ready to be with Father's Day na be ya Mother's Day drew so na hype near high na Father's Day mom pese je be hype it's where the guys me and sa by Kobi bomb Father's no bomb sa non stop am a janom me ben so nyoma to where my Father's na I better chon come but answer na no ma me fa akonya so en wo hye de owo me messe kwa hemen ai ni din kwa me ohemen so na eja me manfo ye twa so ye no kwa hemen ofi asante achema gugu SP ba no me na ne SP me papa eja prekope and anybody who is close to me knows how much I love my dad. You touch him, you touch my eyes. That's my pops. Just a guy ni ne free messe kwa heme ho. Who know any consoles a guy cry send the word guy. Daddy, I love you so much. So much. Meaning no one mama like a she. Papa penti and a man me myself because everything I wanted will provide it at the mommy. On this occasion, I say me free makuma muni na catch us some do. Thank you for being a father. Yampa mumi school fees that. Man like she Kumasi Academy on back show visiting papa provisions a dear ma. Eti that sonny. Son will be a friend no. Me do pay ye. Happy Father's Day. From all of your children, all of us, all your beautiful girls. You see a door. Jojo Heme Pepper sword, your Heme sword door. In fact, we'll be a sword door. Happy Father's Day. Baby girl, so very sure say. Hey, what's your idea? One wish and name no. Daddy your idea. Daddy ne promote too. Daddy ne dress so. Daddy ne be ama me boa. Me ba no wish daddy wate. Kofo bi ho abansa me ba wate. O ma me ba. Maka sure say ade chena uju ho sakaje. Na wo be pie nsem ni mu a. Eya na wa sha ho den. A sha osapo mu nsuo because me nsuma osako ye bibi na be pie news ni. Wakoye nko so ahaye entertainment headquarters Ghana's entertainment preferment na se na won samaba se me da sorry ye Father's Day ba kwena se yi bi atuma nka me wozem ukutoko ase me kasa me chi me yare anka me se kwan ada when ye bop no me producer OPD most wanted producer ever eyi to me na so se sefa ko Ghana jumtuni sefa timi ache mu mema wo pe senka nye boni sise for nya akwala ana watwam 20 something it is a watch mema wo pa we nka asem ne sen ana wa famosize na ha mo enye hwe me batime nchen tin wo de sankomo no yenya mo no ana nka na asem why ntimba
I like matured men, that is me. Since I'm in I mean, I have not dated for long, but I've never dated young guys before. I like matured men.
Yes, the matured men, no. They don't like sex like the young ones.
That's the thing. They don't disturb you, but then they are there, they respect you, they give you everything you need, but then they don't really disturb you for sex. No.
Once a while.
Yeah, once in a blue moon, we are, oh baby, and oh baby, now I
under 1 minute
no, I like matured men, that is me. Since I'm in I mean, I have not dated for long, but I've never dated young guys before. I like matured men.
Yes, the matured men, no. they don't like sex like the young ones.
That is the thing. They don't disturb you, but then they are there. They respect you.
Yeah, hoa, Joe, me ba na te menchen. Yeah. Me ba wa ha. Mo me enkan comments. Ba na ba, mo me enkan comments. Me say no na edasu yi. Obi chima ba he. Twaso, ye ntwaso, kwenansi wa ha. Ye ntwaso, kwenansi wo no school di first. Nitika or suadie or talent, and that's what we need to focus on. It's my maybe phone lines. So by show Papa Happy Father's Day because Asempa FM Krano. Aya na ye Father's Day. Jumedi bi wa ha free prostrate. Yes sir checks nani ademe janom. Ye wa halfway janom. It's my men come ba no ho. Baby girl, akwa baby.
Medas.
Kofo ke kasa was semenam see ye rade na me ho afu me be se me sekwenasi de na me ho afu ye me be ho ani ko o dressing so oh good to see you again after Nsoromma me share den share o ho ye
Mpacha wan.
life after Nsoromma te saying bibi e kama e te saying oh but me ko mo e na e cost after Nsoromma me ba no 8 years into no bibia ya but before that so she camera na wish your daddy happy Father's Day me sure say daddy what do daddy pa me boy
Pacha wan.
boni di na mission Father's Day
Me Papa Frank Nana Josie me ma wa happy Father's Day in advance nyame shao onya wo kese no onya wakoma so ade ma
Nkofo do pa nkofo so ho ani ka na the way I would dress no nkofo pi do ya omo frɛ kwenasi no move oti ma o page wo wi Nsoromma wanda wo yi nyoma to bo Mother's Day de na say Father's so but the way I know papa te obebo Father's Day na rap bi wo me de pa fa rap for the mami
I want to change the narrative.
Yeah.
Many people talk say fathers are bad.
Hey.
And some money to no be a kurani ding.
Hey.
Or papa nyen so be a denye.
Hey.
No matter go say consider loan.
Hey.
Aden or a Mary or no with Jesus.
Hey.
Every child carries simple name. Go and ask your mommy, where is my daddy? And celebrate time. Now my latest fathers denying your kids.
Hey.
Taking some by fashion go for your kids. You feel to that mother. Chumbe do doc no kwa.
ye de muni mo dok no wo chemu mo nsema me ba no le so e wa papa ho eti we na ye fa so aka kire ejanom a omawo ejamoma e wo ho ye besre mo be a responsible father because akola not in the baby na sebi one ne maame ye de mbo ye na akora ne ba wiase children are blessing ti fathers are mo jamochi a time ni ni esa wo be you tie pie at least to diaper bi to wipe wate mo nya na nyame nhira mo baby girl me entie nwom ne mra ye ba na college ne so me hye omo janom happy today is all about fathers yes celebrating a janom I know some great data Amorias my dad is one of them Mr. Bisiu CEO of Buffalo Puff is one of them we heard you on in the Brian and it's Tyrese it's here you will show happy Father's Day Kwame Kenzie so ka ho very good father. I say Patrick, but Patrick is also a very good father. And I pay them a celebrating muna. Mr. Weber, my director, a very good father. On the whom kwala kwa no anane. Mark Weber and kwala ofa. Meme and kwala mama no and kwala ofa. TNT and your number na what's me frame 0302-211-70124 0302-211-70124. Bo papa din akwenya ni kebi bi chere daddy mama wate. Me best is here.
That you be do doc no kwa.
Oh, I miss Kwenasi on stage. Portia Bauman. So hi, good morning, Portia.
Good morning, Sister Sandy. Be a guy.
We a guy. I hear that from me free, Portia.
But you feel Kumasi Francho.
Ah, sacrum. But that the dinner was no.
But your papa, your friend of Mr. Anthony Kokua Day. Oh, okay. We wish you happy Father's Day, Pa. Radiman and Quatin sing. And my husband, don't make a pill. Yakopon, extra.
Wow, that's the piece. We're free. Can I ask what's that special moment with Daddy? When you said Daddy, they be on in the but special moment being pana. Only Dan, I can say, yeah, you feel it, say, yeah, Miss Penny. Moments bear. okay, you are just 8 years, but I mean, we are sure something that you will great moments be. It be in the same.
Otin Sika studio mommy every Sunday me alive.
Oh, already. Papa Phoebe ho ye real instrument na papa be studio. Me who say you were really surprised or do go studio hono. Now I need that. And how did that make you feel? Sa kwala papa support your talent to say.
I felt happy.
Oh. Ya me sure that what o man is ka bebre no nkoso nye niam bebre ma what.
Amen.
Mama en fame kwala. Hi Sister Gloria, good morning.
Good morning, Sister Sandy. Be a guy.
Oh, a guy. Guy me enu. But you're not free.
I'm a cafe of Boise.
Okay. But you're about that idea, not chair, mammy.
But you're my papa din and Naya or Bequin. Or Boise for JG.
Wow.
If I send a catcher and I have Bequin say, on your coupon Shiano. On your neck, as a mistake, quatrain and what day. Any apumudin de mama papa.
Amen.
Mr. Sandy say me papa phobia to say me papa and come me form re.
How?
Me papa mama feel say.
How?
Me hia me mama will be bibia me yim.
Wow.
Say me yario me was 37 years. Say yario said den you. Me friend me papa on me nam. Me bibia sumo ewie mo papa di me.
Wow.
On pa me da.
Wow.
E say na me kwatente de mama papa. Because say me done pa. And me papa mo na me sisi mamia obehu se wa anwokwa obehu awoso
mfa Sister Gloria
I love you so much.
Amen.
God bless you.
Amen. Sister Gloria ma was say go me da sister ofre o say aya na senior motage fathers will krom no utie nkofo stories say the Sister Gloria Kenya who say they are fathers oh me papa per say they are fathers out there you know Mama target fathers for na to say a jano ye irresponsible. Debi na one be a winning but fathers a jacka say or call all out a mau pa oh unse bema ufi. Mama fa Braben. Braben Patrol, good morning.
Good morning, Santina. Otipa no at say.
Patrol say.
Otipa no to say.
Me Patrol nyame adumo ben yakod kakra ba ben de nyame adome ho ye.
Oh, really kakra na mommy wishing papa a year with George Cote a happy Father's Day.
Patrol
me say so wish me mopa Dr. Vico happy Father's Day. All fathers or more area say a final with your main always wish you more happy Father's Day. I'm going to check when that say on board no more thing. Na sending me see on shena on to the schools na on to me and from me give na repeat come.
Okay, could I see uncle so wish you all the best. Okay. And you know aside Father's Day, Mother's Day in your ma wa bono. Dear projects be young watch out for a lot of projects me boy. Oh yeah, there was TikTok hopper and so social media so that and handle mouth. Yeah, that you didn't me. Into social media handles bobo my.
Okay, on TikTok, Instagram and X, me handle me the Queen Assy _ any YouTube ne Facebook, me handle me Queen Assy.
Okay, baby girl. Any final words to a more do or more tower chi de bia or more your manica or more pewasum around the world, Ghana, baby, or show and pay. Then I'll be catch your more.
Me that's so more support me no more my bed pa.
Oh, thank you. And I'm going for business. Sister Sandy, we are sure say akole nya oba. Me ba no complete. Me ba no complete engen chen kra. Eti ya da sipi aha ye home so ya we. Uncle Ampedu ho. Uncle Pike ho. Uncle Kobieshon, Uncle Sami Okuto. Oh, uncles there if you are bebre. What's the why so there bebre na do so premtobre. Ye nyina ye ho ma anytime. Borem wate. We love you, baby girl. Keep doing amazing styles. Happy birthday, in Mama Veru. Festus, ne mame. Also, man, happy Mother's Day. Mr. Weber, me ma happy Father's Day. Munche miss ma be num. Na me boss is binum serious Father's Day. Die di ka adwumero a kwasuchum so obi adwuma. Ai na yengina yenye adwuma happy Father's Day. Adwumero a kwasuchum. Abdullahi Awudu, Baba. You are such a great dad, Baba. Forget it, true social. Papa ne eja. Abu bie ne doors to bia. Beka we here same channel. Baba, ya do happy Father's Day. And the man who trained me, pa kwesi akom, PK, on tete ye, on church, and on eja, what you tell me, me dia bedru baby, I appreciate you so much, PK. Happy Father's Day. Na me wofa, kobi eshon. Ono so time chipen ye, happy Father's Day, come on. Well, be Kofi Ampedu Adaroma nene, me wo Ahosepe dwumadi swing. Wanu ne hu me cheche hu sa get entertainment on mo fa ne mreme. Kofi Ampedu, happy Father's Day shon kon koma okra. Ampedu ka se wo support wa. Obeko all out na emom, etefa so na okodi wrong side a, obe ma feel like a father would do. Happy Father's Day, Welbeck. We love you so much. To all the camera guys, I'm an ye Juma, utimi ba na ba ku tu chemu, na ba ko ye obatim si ba ku ye utimi ye. Camera boys are more fi hanging na. Me mama happy Father's Day. My directors, I just say lighten. Obia me be me bia me no ye Juma wo fi kese mu. All the presenters on air. Happy Father's Day. Enko emfa emamu. Me need the sister Sandy be a guy. I'm the guy as queen, my graduate. Say a guy me no 2 times a guy. Sani, you know, Edumai 4 AD, Master Thomas, PRO. Oh, PRO. The name wo, yeah. Happy Father's Day, PRO. And I member, just me home in a bright sound, MCR. Mark Webber, I'm a director, Richmond, my producer, OPD. Your Father's Day, free screening. Ewa sempa ha say animha. Eya fa Osebra free na yen channel. And now mun skills cancel na daddy. Mun celebrate daddy. Once again, happy Father's Day to my dad. When I see your pon. So be perform it. Be perform it. Mun yan tu non perform my. Thank you all stations. We'll be back on Monday. And send very trendy, easy baby. On the medical, Ritimomi did not know but boy, I mean, fair we interview, brother, I'm on what they say, cry, we didn't cry a memo, no lie, what a jungle. So I am performing. Change and narrative.